Jan wasn't scary, he was friendly.
We are pleased to announce the arrival of our new Baby Dinosaur workshop. This workshop has been designed by early years practitioners to support the youngest children within your schools. As primary school teachers with early years experience, we understand how important routines and structures are to the children in your care. Therefore, we have created 3 unique workshops to support the youngest learners in your school.
In the Baby Dinosaur session, children will have a chance to meet a range of different dinosaurs that are all unique and have different personalities. This workshop has been created by EYFS practitioners. Through effective questioning, we will explore different feelings and emotions that children may feel on a daily basis. Children are then able to help the dinosaurs with their problems.
The Baby Dinosaur workshop was brilliant. I've never seen my class so quiet. They were all listening intently and they wanted to get up and join in, and even the children who are quiet and quite reserved, they wanted to join in and go up and see the dinosaurs too.
Workshop 2 is when the children will meet the large dinosaur jam for the first time. From the start, we have always encouraged the younger children in school to interact with jam, and this is something that we intend to continue. This will take place in a relaxed atmosphere, and we will be able to prepare the children throughout the morning, getting them more comfortable with our presence and the other dinosaurs.
After meeting the baby dinosaurs and helping them through their problems, the children are able to get a photo of their favourite dinosaur on the green screen. All the images are edited and sent over to your school for evidence of our visit before we leave.
Jan was like, his head was on top of me instead of over there looking at me. His head was on top of me and it was looking over me. He almost snapped my nose.
Through effective questioning, we are able to develop communication and language skills and also explore discussions linked to personal, social and emotional development.